Hello, thank you for joining me for another shave. Today's shave, I'm going to be shaving with the Gem push button. And this, I got a couple weeks ago. I've got a Gem Super Stainless blade loaded up in it. For soap today, I'm going to be doing Williams Wednesday. I keep my Williams in this container like I've showed you guys before. For a brush today, I'm going to be using my vintage Williams brush. For witch hazel, still trying to use up this Lucky brand stuff. I'm going to be using Clubman. I normally use a Aqua Velva product, but I haven't used Clubman in a while. We've got a couple days of growth. And yeah, so let's get on with this shave here. I don't think I've done a face shave with the push button. The only other later Gem that I have experience with is my featherweight, and I like it a lot. I'll be honest though, I really haven't been shaving with it much other than I did a head shave with it. And speaking of head shaves, yesterday I tried doing a head shave with a Schick injector, the G8, and as you can tell, it did not go as to plan. And I had about 8 weepers. So I didn't even put the video up. I just finished off the head shave with a DE razor. Alright. Water to the face here. I've heard it said that the push button is one of the more milder ones, or the contour is the most mild of the bunch. That's fine. Just because something's mild doesn't mean it's not efficient. Well, I'll find out myself. Hope you guys have been getting good shaves. Now with them Schicks, that may have been me with technique, so I'm not going to say that it was all on the razor. And the blade that was in that G8 has been in there in a while, and it was the Chinese Schick blade. I've got some vintage Personna blades that my uncle gave me that I'm going to be trying. So we'll give it another shot here in the future. Alright. Good enough. Alright, start. Now angle, I'm just following the cap. Yep, seems to be cutting the growth. Right now it's snowing to beat the band here. We're getting another 6 to 8 inches of snow. Gotta be careful where I got myself with that vintage blade. And I'm going to be doing a write-up on Badger and Blade. With a review of that blade. that Gillette stainless. Once I get one more shave in with it. Not a bad first pass. Alright. A little water. I'll hit the puck again a little bit because I thinned this Williams down quite a bit. Doesn't mean it's not slick. I just want a little more cushion. This will probably be one of the brushes I'll be re-knotting here in the future. It's going to be boar that's going in it, that's for sure. I'm not going to mess with the weight or anything like that, like some people do. Okay, side. Whoever said this is as milder than a flare tip super speed is, I hate to say it, but they're full of crap. This is a nice shaver. And clog it. Hand, having a hard time with this handle. I'm used to the featherweight, you know it. It's like a like a sword handle or whatnot. How it, you bite more. Whereas this, it's got that weird step, and it kind of just messes with things. Well, there's a power flicker. That's not good. I'll do 3 passes with this today. Well, yeah, I went to Hannaford's today. Picked up some more of them Personna blades. They're actually on sale for $1, I think, or $1.99. All right, against the grain. tomorrow I'm going to get some of that. Order that V&E soap that Scott was shaving with Peg Leg suggested. Because it's a local, well, not local, it's New England company for me. And I don't mind supporting a New England company. They're out of Maine. Okay. Try this against the grain on the upper lip. This is a test for me normally with a razor. Because my technique has gotten good enough of late where I can feel comfortable doing that. Fix my glasses. Light pressure. Not bad, BBS. Let's see any. I'll do a pickup pass. Alright, rinse off and do a pickup pass. Take a look. No cuts. Not bad. Just a couple of spots. Lucky witch hazel. I was at Dollar Tree there today as well. Because it's in the same town where Hannaford's and Aldi's is. Nothing new shaving wise from them. Alright, there's a spot, you can hear it. Good enough. I don't want to hit that irritation threshold, so. Alright. Pinard Clubbing. Absolutely no irritation. Awesome. Alright, what's my verdict with Gem Push Button? Awesome shaver. I can definitely recommend this. This would be good for a beginner, I feel. This is a very inexpensive razor. Before I went on here, I went on eBay and I went and looked to see how much they're going for. I saw one for $5 that was in really good condition. It was gold though. This one's nickel or chrome. And they're very easy to operate. Just a push button. Blade comes out. You can do it like that. When I put the blade in myself, I hold the ends normally like this. Make sure everything's lined up behind the stops. So, awesome shaver. Definitely can recommend it. Next shave here is going to be, well, What haven't I shaved? I haven't shaved with a Merkur Futur in a while, I think. And when I get that soap in, I'll be doing a shave. I've been looking at razors, but nothing's really piqued my eye. All the olds I've looked at, the Gillette olds, the condition is just... Ugh. There's a couple lather catches on there. There's a Star that's... it's like a Gem Junior bar. It looks very similar. I may bid on that. We'll see. So, I want to thank you for watching. If you have any comments or questions, put them down below. Appreciate you guys, your viewership. Appreciate you all. Catch you guys later, and happy shaves.